Okay, so we're going to write electron configurations. First, I'm going to mark up my periodic table. I'm going to move helium from here, and I'm going to put helium over here to complete the S block. So this is going to be my S block. S. This is the D block. This is the P block. And you don't need it very often, but this is the F block down here. Okay, we're going to label these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we're going to label this one less. So this will be 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. So when we need to find the periodic, we need to find the, let's do aluminum. Let's write the electron configuration for aluminum. We're doing aluminum. Aluminum is right here on the periodic table. This is 1 and it's S. So we're going to write 1S, and there are 2 boxes here, so there are 2 electrons, 1s2. Okay, and then that's all that's on that first row. Then we look at 2, the second row, we've got 2s, we've got 2 boxes, so it's a 2. And we come over here, this is a P, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have a 2 to second row, it's P, and there's 6 boxes. So now we're on the third row. We have 3s, and there are 2 boxes, so we've got 3s, 2. And then here we have 3p, and there's only 1 box. So that would be aluminum. If I wanted to make this shorter, I could go back to neon here and say that all of this is the same as neon. And so we could write neon 3s2 3p1. That would be the electron configuration of aluminum.